Two. We are told that a boy of mass 40 kilograms sits at a point of 2.0 meters from the pivot of a seesaw. Find the weight of a girl who can balance the seesaw by sitting at a distance of 3.2 meters from the pivot. We have been told to take gravitational force as 10 newtons per kilogram. So when we are given such a question, we need to have a diagram so that we can see what is happening, so that we are in a position to calculate what is in question. So if we take this to be our seesaw, let's say it is pivoted at this point. So we are told a boy of mass 40 kilograms sits at a point of 2.0 meters from the pivot of a seesaw. So this is our pivot. The boy sits at a distance. The distance here from the pivot to where the boy is. This is the boy. The distance we are told is 2.0. A mass of 40 kilograms. The boy has a mass of 40 kilograms and he sits 2.0 meters from the pivot. 2.0 meters from the pivot, that's what we have. So find the weight of a girl who can balance by sitting at a distance of 3.2 from the pivot. We can elongate this. So at a distance of 3.2, let's say our 3.2 is up to here. So this distance from where the girl is to the pivot is 3.2 meters. So this is the girl. So we want to get the weight of this girl. And of course the weight will act in a downward direction. So we want to get this weight. And when this boy sits here, he will exert some weight or some force here, which we need also to calculate. So you can see the boy is on this side, the girl is on the other side. We know the distance from the boy to the pivot and the force we can calculate. We know the distance of the girl from the pivot, but we don't have the weight of the girl, and that is what is in question. But we are told that the girl balances with the boy. So it is at equilibrium. So to start with, we need to get the force here that will be exerted by the boy. From Form 1, we learned that force is given by mass multiplied by the gravitational force. And the mass of the boy is 40 kilograms. The gravitational force is 10 newtons per kilogram. So we can multiply and get 400 newtons.